Okay, so we know that there is 2 planes from Christiansen Aviation out of Wilmington, Delaware, following me tonight, and there's 1 from SPARTAN Education in Tulsa that's following me, and there are at least 2 helicopters up there. Yeah, so hopefully we can get them all on video. And if you look right here, there's a helicopter right there too. Yeah, right there. All right. Try to get the helicopters and the planes if we can for YouTube, for the gangstalking, continued daily, nightly harassment. I want to expose this for what's happening, and if you're experiencing this kind of stuff, this abuse, this torture, document every incident that you can. I keep telling you that, and contact an attorney that deals with police abuse / harassment, and they can advise you on what you need to do, what's going to take them to court. All right? Gang stalking is a crime. They did the same thing back in Nazi Germany before they started rounding people up, killing them in concentration camps. So I don't take this very lightly, all right, at all. I take it very seriously. These people have resources, the funding to do this covertly, and if I can stop them from torturing somebody because they're busy torturing me, that's great, but I'm going to expose them every chance I get. Alright? So let's see. Sorry, this may be a long video. Anyway, so gang stalking, they can use vehicles, lots and lots of vehicles. That's how it started with me. And my attorney advised me to get every license plate, try to get a picture of the vehicle or video, find a description of who's driving it, where the license plates are from, what state, and what number. And then once I started doing that, and I text my friends about what I was doing, what was I advised to do, all of a sudden it stopped for the most part. And now I have planes and helicopters harassing me, illegally harassing me, I might add. And if you try to uphold the law or if you break the law in the guise of upholding the law, it makes you the criminal. And these people are very criminal. And how they act, I know that they've done this many, many, many times to many different people, and probably destroyed and ruined people's lives, you know. When you're flying above someone, you can put traps in various places. People, you know, broke down vehicles, whatever, you know, and you being a nice guy, you can stop to help, and it's a gang stalker. You don't even know it. And they set you up on different things. Trust no one. Don't let anybody in your car. You'd be surprised what I found in my car once I picked somebody up that needed a ride, whether it's gasoline or a ride to work because their car broke down or whatever. And these people are very good. So be very, very careful. And like I said, watch your belongings, your cell phones, things like that, because they like to snatch those. But yeah, you just got to change your way of thinking and just understand that the people that you thought were out to protect you from harm are the very ones doing this. And I know that for a fact. You can check out some of my other videos. You know, not everybody's out there in law enforcement is bad. I don't think that they're all 100% corrupt, but there's a good majority of them that are corrupt. I call them shysters. What else can I call them? That's what they are. Shysters with guns. You're supposed to uphold the law, not to be breaking the law by harassing people. Anyway, yeah. So let's see if we can get some footage of aerial gang stalking. Hold on just a moment. Let me pull over. They've definitely made me wiser, a lot stronger mentally, physically, and emotionally, that's for sure. They're like vultures. Yeah. I'm gonna go in here. Hold on. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh gosh. Nope. I don't see any. Oh Lord. Well. Okay. Well, I'm sure it was somewhere. There they are right there. If you look over the building. Right there over Walgreens. The W in Walgreens, see them? That's a helicopter. Pardon me, it's got a green and red light flashing. Yep. They're flying. Whoa, they're flying fast now. Yeah, see them just over Walgreens. In the trees. Yeah. Now that's a helicopter though. Alright, well there's one. Alright.